So today's the morning that we leave, and we're a little bit behind schedule.
We're doing it the day of.
Yeah, we're like cutting the bed, we're like setting up everything, all our stuff is on the floor. But yeah, so what we're doing right now is like we're trying to cut the mattress to fit in the Jeep fine. And we got her extra topper up here, so like technically we'll have like
extra cushion.
Yeah, like 4 inches worth of bedding.
Oh, that works.
I'm a genius, that's why. Okay. So now we have everything nice and snug right here on the corners. Customized. So let's do the bed, I guess, now.
Yep.
Okay. It smells like your house, but amplified. Like yeah, that is so much your house, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, it's been sitting in my, like, you know that door right next to my room?
Yeah.
That, like, towel closet thing? Yeah. It's been sitting in there for years.
Damn.
This is, like, collecting all
the
aroma. That smells weird. Like an old lady.
So this is how she's looking like. We have the, what's this called?
A sheet?
A sheet. We have a sheet on it now. And so it looks like a legit bed. So it's like really comfortable. We just tested it out. So
like you can't even feel the wood. It's so comfy.
Yeah, it's so good. It might be more comfy than my bed actually. Her words,
I think
not
it
mine.
is. Yeah.
But yeah, then we have all this storage down here, and I guess we can start packing. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Oh, bitch! Right? It's comfy. Okay, so we're finally off and on our way. We're finally off and on our way. It is 3:34 on what's today? Sunday. Sunday. So yeah, we said bye.
Turn right onto Champion Drive.
Thank you. So we said bye to all the familia. We came back because we forgot our guitars and lawn chairs.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Old Settlers Boulevard.
I'm just gonna lower that.
Yeah, and then we're meeting our friends over there, but we still need to go grocery shopping, but we're gonna do that once we're in Lubbock, and that's a 5-hour something drive, and then we're spending a night at an airport. So yeah, right now in the back it's kind of a mess. Yeah, it's a big mess right now. But
once we get there, we're gonna like fix it and
exactly.
Oh,
which way do I go?
Left.
Okay. So yeah, that's the situation, and we're gonna go. See ya when we get to Lubbock. Our car is back there, and we are in the Lubbock airport, and we're gonna sleep here for the night. She has to use the restroom, so we're gonna see if the airport's open. But yeah, we'll see how the first night of sleep goes in the car. Oh my god, look at the cows! There's so many!
Oh,
that is sick! Oh my god!
That's how it smells, dude.
Okay guys, so currently it is 6:44 the next day. Things didn't really go too much to plan. I ran into it and all of the homeless hooligans.
He looked over
and they were all staring at us.
And we tried to go over it, but no, we stayed back there. There was like policemen circling around.
Yeah, there was a lot of police people.
Policemen.
It
was really bad.
Yeah, okay, so the plan was to sleep at the airport, like you probably just saw. She needed to go to the restroom. We tried to go into the airport. Airport was closed.
The whole airport was shut down. It's like an international airport.
Yeah, like cars and not people were there, but cars were there. The airport was closed, and whenever we were walking back to our cars, a cop saw us, and like we had the right to be there, but it's like just really sketchy for like two teenagers to be like roaming around in the cars. So the cops are driving around in the parking lot, what I assumed was like looking for us, and so we were just hiding in the car, but she had to pee. So like the first thing that we thought of was like to pee in an empty water bottle, but like the hole's not big enough, and we're not guys, and we can't just like pee wherever. And so we got Sonic before that, and I was like, you're gonna have to dump out your drink and pee in the cup, and we just couldn't do it. And so another police came, and we thought it was just too much, so we left and we went to a gas station, and oh my god, dude, like there were so many like homeless hooligans there.
So many.
Like 13 at some random gas station in the middle of nowhere, dude. Like, why? After the restroom, we were trying to like get out of the place, but I didn't see that there was a curb, and we were trying to draw as little attention to us as possible, but we're over here like revving our freaking engine and like trying to get out of here, and it was just a mess. We saw like a dog that we thought was dead, but it was like sleeping next to another person that we thought was dead, and then we ended up sleeping in the Walmart parking lot, which was like fine. I felt fine at least. Kiana was still kind of like freaking out a little bit.
I was so paranoid from what happened.
So yeah, we like set up our bed and everything, and we fell asleep at around like 1.
Yeah.
I woke up at 4. We were trying to wake up at 6, but
I was already awake. I only slept for 1 hour.
Sleep deprived, but we're still having fun. A lot of good stories
to tell.
Yeah, I'll see you once we are in Canyon City. Yep, that's it for. Oh my god. I didn't sleep. What is up? That's a volcano right there. Currently in New Mexico, still on our way to Colorado. We're about to whip up some breakfast. And we won't have to cry no more. It's so cold. It's raining and it's cold. Oh my god. One of these. Okay, so I haven't done an update video in like a day or two. Hold on, let me lock the car. It's about day 3. It's Wednesday, and we're about to go play guitar in the
Red Rocks is like
the amphitheater. Yeah, and it's really pretty out here. Last night we spent the night at her cousin's house.
This is what we have to walk up.
There's so many stairs. Oh my gosh. There's so many. Where's the? Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was like too many steps.
She said if you would play something, she would dance.
Oh, yo entiendo español, sí. Ya, no, pues la cosa es que no, apenas estoy aprendiendo, no sabe mucho canciones. Perdón. Si sabía te iba a jugar algo, pero no sé. Ya. Cause further along, it was always another fight. Stranger, that's all I see. And then go to the 4th fret. And then go to the 8th fret. Nope. Nope. One more? Yeah. Yep. To the Rocky Mountain National Park, but on the way we saw this really cool river. Our little hike to Boulder Falls. How long were we here for?
An hour and 20 minutes.
After this, we're gonna head up to the Rockies and grab some lunch up there. So we finally made it to the Rocky Mountains. There is her.
She's beautiful.
Very much so. So today we're about to go have breakfast at this place called Snooze in Denver, and afterwards we're gonna go to a gas station to get like car stickers for Colorado and stuff.
Keychains.
Yeah, and a keychain for her. And then after that we'll head to the sand dunes, and I got us a camping reservation, so
you get to stay there.
Yeah.
Close to it.
Have to cry no more.
It's kind of weird to have some sand in literally the middle of nowhere. Is the plains over there and the mountains over there? So we didn't even make it to the top, but I barely made it here.
It's okay, come on. You got a little more. You're almost here.
But
I dragged her up the steepest part of the
she chose to go up the steepest part. Like there's this, like, you know, slow and steady, like you can take a break if you want, but no, we went like right down here. You can't even see it, like that's how steep it was. But
crawling on all fours to get up.
and the thing is, like, I was sliding half the time, so I had to, like, I probably traveled twice the distance, and I was looking at her and she wasn't sliding, she was just like going up like normal. We're gonna go down now. Come on, take bigger steps. That's the point. I'm literally like skiing, dude. Alright guys, so we are I want to say like 7 hours away from home.
Or 8 maybe.
No, it's 8 hours. 8 hours. So we slept at a campsite yesterday, COA of America.
KOA.
Oh yeah, KOA. As you can tell, I'm functioning very well. I woke up at 3:30. I don't know why. Oh, I was cold. I was really cold last night, and I had sand all over me from the sand dunes yesterday because I slept in the same jacket that I wore to that place. Yeah, we're just kind of eating nasty breakfast snacks, I guess. And we're falling.
Salted chip, what is it?
Oh, salt and vinegar chip.
And then like I ate like one bite of a cookie. Now I'm having this to keep me awake.
Yeah, and then, like, we're just falling asleep while we're driving because we're all cozy. Like she's with a hoodie and a blanket, and I'm over here with like 2 blankets and 2 pillows and a blanket. We wanted to eat Wendy's for breakfast, but they only had breakfast for
Until 11.
yeah, until 11.
So now we're driving to Amarillo. We're gonna eat Wendy's there.
Yeah, and it's gonna be like 11 something once we're there.
Probably like 12.
Yeah, the last real meal we had was yesterday at 11, but it didn't really feel like it though. Yeah, but I woke up kind of hungry, and then yeah. All right, so it is the final hour of driving. So since the Jeep is a struggle bus, pretty much, we could only go 60 the whole way instead of like the 80 that we're supposed to.
Yeah, we left at 4 a.m. and we were supposed to be back by 4 p.m. And currently it is 9 p.m.
And we're supposed to get home at like 10. But yeah, so the whole trip was supposed to be 12 hours, but it ended up being 18 hours from the Great Sand Dunes to my house. So I'm editing this last clip right now, and it's not good quality, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo it. In total, we spent $461.35. And I went ahead and broke it up into 4 different categories. So those being parks, camping, food, and gas. So for parks, we spent around $80. For camping, we spent around $40. For food, we spent around $50. And gas around $300. So you should know those numbers if you're considering doing this yourself. So those numbers don't include the whole sleeping situation that we had in the back of the car. For me, in materials, which include wood, hinges, and screws, all cost about like, I want to say $150. But we already had the tools and stuff, so if you don't have that, you should include that in your cost. So for me, it was really worth building my little camper situation in the back of my car, because in the future I do want to go to like Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, all that kind of stuff, and instead of like buying tents and the whole situation or getting hotels, I can just sleep in my car, and it's like a glamping situation, and I don't have to do the whole setup. I can just sleep in my car. So if you find it worthwhile, you can invest in that too, I guess. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up this whole video. I hope y'all like it and found it informative. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.